Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, exercise 5.3, question 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 centimeter, then 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2.0 centimeter, etc. as shown in figure. So what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So here it is given to us, pi value is given to us, and then the hint that is given to us is length of successive semicircle is L1, L2, L3, L4 with centers at AB respectively. So let's try to understand what they are telling us is there is a semicircle here, you can see here, having two centers, center A and center B. So now for this first set, the length of this semicircle. So first, this is the first length of this semicircle, center is A. Okay. And then second semicircle is this. And for this semicircle, center is B. And now this is third length of the semicircle, and for this center is A. Now this is fourth semicircle, and for this the center is B, and so on, and it is up to where? Up to 13 consecutive semicircles. 13 consecutive meaning is continuously. So now 4, then will become 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13. So continuously. So we have to find out what we have to find out? Length. We have to find out length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. So we have to find out the length of these semicircles. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you. And one more thing, starting with center A of radii 0.5, then 1.0, 1.5, that means radius is given to us. So now starting with first semicircle. So this is semicircle, first semicircle. So this is the first semicircle, this part, first semicircle. And what is the radius for this? Center is A. So that means radius will be how much? If this is a circle, so this is a semicircle, that means the radius is how much? 0.5 centimeter. So the next semicircle comes this part. Here the center is B. Now center is B means the radius will be how much? Radius is 1.0. So then now third semicircle. So this is third semicircle. For this the radius center will be A, and for that the radius will be how much? It will be more than this. First one this much radius. So second, this is the center. So this will be the radius. And for the third semicircle, center is A. So radius will be up to here. So that radius is 1.5. So likewise, then fourth one. For fourth, center is B. So then this is fourth semicircle. So for this radius will be up to here. So that is how much? 2.0. I hope you understood the question. So what we have to find out is length of such a spiral that is made up of 13 consecutive semicircle we have to find out. So now try to understand what is this length. Okay. So if you take a circle, now start from here, from 0 kilometer I am starting. Then I walk up to here, all the border of this circle you walk up to here you will walk. So that is called length of the circle. Okay. So this is called length of the circle. So then it can be written as like this. So length also is equal to perimeter of the circle, and we know the formula, that is 2 pi r. Okay, the formula for the length of the circle is 2 pi r. But now here we are talking about the semicircle, not the full circle. So for this center is A. So here the semicircle we are talking. So if it is semicircle, so if length of this semicircle we are talking, this is center A if you take. So this is the length of the semicircle. So that means, wow, full circle is our length of the full circle is 2 pi r. So if semicircle means it should be half of it. Semicircle means half of this. So So that means when you divide, then 2 gets cancelled. So length of the semicircle, we will get pi r. So this you remember. Okay. So now let's begin. So let's calculate now for 1 by 1. So let's write down the length of the semicircle first. Okay. So we'll write down now. Length of first semicircle. So first semicircle. So first semicircle will be this part. So this is the first semicircle. So now for this length of this first semicircle. Semicircle we saw length of the semicircle is pi r we said. So length of the first semicircle will be pi r. So then it is given to us in the question the radius. So center is A. Radius is given to us in the question. So radius is 0.5. So next one is 1.0. Then the following third one is 1.5. Then 2.0. So remember that. So the first length of the first semicircle is pi r. We said for semicircle formula is pi r. So radius is given to us. So first radius it is. So we'll put 1 here because we are studying about the radius of the first semicircle. So first r. So which is equal to. So pi value we write as is pi. R value it is given to us. R value is given to us radius. Already we saw that is 0.5 is the radius. So then when you multiply this, we will get 0.5 pi will get. So this is our first equation. So now again same way, length of second semicircle will be pi r2. So pi we keep as it is, r2 radius for the second, for the second part. Second part, the radius is how much? This is the center. So radius is how much here? It's given to us in the question. I told you to remember this. So 1.5. So same way we have to do for the next also. So 1.5. So when you multiply, you'll get 1.5 pi. Because this is a pi it is. So we just write it like that only when you multiply. So same way for the third semicircle, it will be third one. So pi radius, third radius was 0.5. Sorry, this was 1.0. 1.0. Here now 1.5. So it will be 1.5 pi. So this is our third. Then same way fourth, because we are given up to 4, right? So fourth will be pi into 2.0. So when you multiply, you will get 2 pi, because 2.0 means 2 only. So now this is fourth equation. Okay. So now we form an AP. So now we got the AP. So our AP is, first what we got 0.5 pi. Then second we got 1.0 pi. So it is 1.0 means 1 pi it is. Okay. So you can write pi or 1 pi also is okay. Because this is 1 only. 1.0 is 1 only. When you multiply, you will get 1 pi only. So 1 pi. Then if this is 1.5 pi, then you will get 2 pi dash 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 up to how many semicircles we have to find out? Up to 13 terms. So 13th semicircle, right? So 13th terms. So up to 13th term we have to find out. So now let's put the formula, because they are asking us what? They are asking us length of such a spiral. So total, right? Total length they are asking. So that means which formula we have to write? We have to write down the Sn formula. So that is Sn n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So this formula we apply because we have the value for, so value first term we know, so we know the a value, that is 0.5 pi. A value we need. Then D value we will get. D we will get from here you have to minus, from pi you have to minus 0.5. So you will get from pi you minus 0.5 pi. So pi you remove common. Here also we have pi, here also we have pi. So let us remove common. So inside there will be 1 minus 0.5. So then from 1 when we minus 0.5 you will get 0.5 only. So that means 0.5 pi. This is our D value. So you got a D value now. Then what else we need? We have A value, we have D value. Number of terms we know, that is up to 13th term. So N is 13. So that's it. So we have all the values. So put it in the formula now. So S 13 upon 2, A is what? A is 0.5 pi plus N is 13 minus 1 and D is 0.5 pi. So S 13, so 13 upon 2. Now when we multiply this, let's multiply 0 and 0.5. So 0.5 multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10. So 0, then 1. 2 zeros are 0, then 1 you have. So you'll get 1 here. So that means 1 pi. So we'll write it as a pi only, because instead of writing 1 pi, we can write pi also. So now plus. So 13 minus 1 will get 12. And this is in multiplication 0.5 pi. So now S 13 upon 2 pi plus, now with 12 you multiply 0.5 multiply with 12. Okay, so with the 2 when we multiply, 2 5s are 0 10. So 0 1 carried 4, 2 zeros are 0, this 1 will be left here. With 1 5 will get 5, 1 into 0 will get 0 only. So 0 6. So since the decimal is after 1 digit decimal, so after 1 digit we keep decimal. So that means this value is 6. So we'll write down here 6 and this pi we write as it is. So now S 13 upon 2 into, this is how much? Pi, 1 pi plus 6 pi will give us 7 pi. So now S 13 upon 2 into 7 into pi values given to us here in the question. Here we have, that is 22 upon 7. So pi value is 22 upon 7. So 7 gets cancelled. With the 2 when you divide, you'll get 11. So that means we will get here 13, here 11. So that is 13 into 11 will give us 143. And here it is given in centimeter. The question is in length is centimeter, right? Because see here everything is in centimeter, so we will write here centimeter. So the length of the spiral made up, hence the length of the spiral made up to 13 consecutive semicircle is 143 centimeter. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.